Sometimes you're physically bound down, but mentally gone 10 years ahead. You dream of something you don't really want, and when you return, everyone has moved on. Follow tradition, you do.
Hey guys, so today is a Saturday, ayan, May 24. And nakaayos ako ngayon kasi we're going to an event, very exciting event sa Vice. So magla-launch kasi sila ng new products nila dun sa may MOA, so we'll be there. And currently, it's already, ayan, 3:12 na. And hinintay ko na lang actually si Ariza kasi sasabay siya sa akin papunta dun sa MOA. By the way, here's our look for today. Ayan, very fresh lang. Tapos messy bun lang ako kasi ang init doon. Yung venue niya is a Sky Dome. So, ayun, walang aircon. And this is my fit. Ayan, ito lang siya kasi sunwear daw. And yung theme is red, yellow, and pink. So, ayan. Yellow and red tayo. And then, I have this jacket. Ayan, itong bag lang na hiniram ko sa kapatid ko kasi ito lang actually yung bagay. So, ayan, di ba? Very sunwear. Hinintay ko na lang kasi talaga ngayon si Ariza. And then, after that, aalis na kami kagad. Hi! Hey guys, so we're here sa Canvas Skin sa may Green Hills. Papa, Exion Face, and Tommy ako today. Super cozy and aesthetic dito, guys. We're gonna start Exion Face. Guys, tapos na yung side na to, tapos ito wala pa. Tapos sige yung difference. Ito nakalip. Ito hindi. Diba? Kita nyo naman yung difference. Done for today. We're going home. I love this lip plumping oil sa Kind Collectives. You know, very moisturizing. Hindi rin siya ganun ka-heavy. Tapos, meron lang siyang right amount of plump after. Hindi siya yung super plump like yung iba. And ito, hindi siya ganun kaanghang sa lips. May cooling, oo, above cooling. Pero hindi ganun kaanghang. Very tolerable lang. Eh, lagi ko siyang ginagamit. Halos magkakalahati na siya. By the way, guys, today is a Wednesday. Ayan, and it's 2:44 ng hapon. And today, aalis tayo. Kaya ako nag-aayos kasi papagroom ko ang baby, si Coco and Chloe. Papagroom ko sila after after magti 3 months na. Sobrang haba na kasi ng buhok nila, tapos ramdam ko din na naiinitan na sila. So, kailangan na talaga nilang pag-groom. And I'm just using this illuminator from Lovely Cosmetics. Super bet ko to. Kahit anong makeup look ko, nilalagay ko talaga siya. Para lang siyang skincare or primer. Tapos it has a bit amount of tint and blurring effect, tapos illuminating effect. Basta ang ganda nito guys, very worth it siya for its price. Actually, yung grooming schedule namin is 4 pa, so meron pa akong more than 30 minutes para mag-ayos. After groom, ibubok ko lang naman si Coco sa mall. Isa-isa lang muna silang ibubok ko kasi hindi ko kaya pag dalawa, lalo na si Coco. Sobrang ingay ni Coco kapag maingay. So yeah, hindi kaya ng powers ko if dalawa sila, so isa-isa lang silang ibubok ko sa mall. Okay, so balikan ko muna kayo mamaya kasi ayan, malalobat na yung Osmo Pocket ko and kailangan ko lang siya i-charge para magkaroon tayo ng snippets within this day.
Chloe, finish na! Bye! Wow, pretty. Ay, pogi. Ay, pogi siya. Hi, we're here! I'm with Coco Bear. It's Coco and Mommy Day. Ew, baho. Ang baho ng pupo. Coco Bear. Coco Bear. Coco Bear.
Hi guys, we're here at Antipolo. I'm with my high school friends. Hi vlog! Actually, biglaan lang to. Kasi mag-church kami. Alam mo yung church yung kay Popoyet Basha. Ayun yung i-visit namin.
At kaulayan.